we will talk about the anatomical position, location and external features of liver. So liver is the largest gland of the body. It is solid gland and chief functions are formation of bile and metabolic functions are there. So its shape is, it is four-sided pyramid, right? Four-sided pyramid. So anterior surface, posterior surface, superior surface, inferior surface and right lateral surface, and there is only one sharp border, that is inferior border. Now where is the location of the liver? It is located in the upper three quadrants of abdomen. That is, there are 9 quadrants in the abdomen, and liver occupies the right hypochondrium, almost whole of the epigastrium and left hypochondrium, and it lies under cover of the costal cartilages and ribs. You can see whole of it is covered by costal cartilages and ribs. Now its anatomical position. What is the anatomical position of the liver? So if we see this, put your probe or forceps in the inferior vena cava. This is inferior vena cava, and it should be, the probe or forceps should be exactly vertical. It should not be like this or tilting. It should be exactly vertical, facing backward. So like this. So this is the anatomical position of liver. And what are the factors which keep this in anatomical position? The chief factor is abdominal pressure, intra-abdominal pressure. Then this inferior vena cava itself keep it in anatomical position. Then there are various ligaments, falciform ligament, left triangular ligament, right triangular ligament, coronary ligament, ligamentum teres. All these ligaments are also secondary factors to keep the liver in anatomical position. Now what are the borders and surfaces of the liver? So I told you, the one we'll talk about them in detail. This is the only sharp border, you can see. Rest of the borders are almost rounded. So this border is known as inferior border, and you can see there are 2 notches, important notches on this border. One notch is for the ligamentum teres, this one. This is for ligamentum teres. This rounded structure here is ligamentum teres. It is remnant of the left umbilical vein. So one notch is here, and here you can see this is gallbladder notch. This is the notch for the gallbladder. So these 2 prominent notch, this is an, like in this particular liver, this is an additional notch. It may not be there in of not any anatomical importance. So 2 notch, that is one for ligamentum teres and one for gallbladder. This, you can see these 2 notches on inferior border, and inferior border separates the anterior surface from inferior surface. This is all inferior surface. Inferior surface continue with posterior surface along a rounded ill-defined border. Rest of the superior surface continue with posterior surface along rounded ill-defined border. Only one border is prominent one, that is inferior border, which separates the anterior surface from inferior surface. Okay. Now there are 2 main lobes in the liver, right lobe and left lobe. Right lobe form 5/6 of the liver and left lobe form 1/6 of the liver. Now what is the demarcation for separation of these 2 lobes? One is this, anteriorly and superiorly the demarcation between 2 lobes is this ligament, that is ligamentum. This is falciform ligament. Okay, this is falciform ligament. Inferiorly, the right lobe and left lobe are separated by this ligamentum teres, and posteriorly it is separated by groove or ligamentum venosum. So falciform ligament, ligamentum teres and groove for ligamentum venosum, they separate the right larger lobe from small left lobe of the liver. Right? Now these are few lobes, additional lobes, that is caudate lobe and quadrate lobe. You can see caudate lobe, they are part of right lobe, but they are described separately, otherwise they are part of right lobe only. You can see groove for ligamentum venosum. So it is on the right side of this, anatomical position में रख के बात करेंगे, ये groove के right side में, इसलिए ये right lobe का part है. So this is caudate, ये quadrate lobe. Caudate lobe is on the posterior surface. If we keep it again in anatomical position like this, it is on the posterior surface, and quadrate lobe is on the inferior surface, and between these 2 lobes there is a transverse fissure called porta hepatis. So what is porta hepatis? It is a transverse fissure 5 cm long, situated anteriorly. There is quadrate lobe, posteriorly there is caudate lobe, and margins of it provide attachment to the lesser omentum, which will other end of the lesser omentum is attached to stomach, lesser curvature of stomach. Now there are various structures you can see in this porta hepatis. Any structure which enter the liver or comes out of the liver will pass through the porta hepatis, right? So what are the structures here from before backward? ये पीछे वाला side है portal vein, that is the portal vein, hepatic artery and bile duct. So these are the three structures, main opening you will see in the porta hepatis, right? VAB, vein सबसे पीछे, फिर artery, फिर bile duct. These are the structures present. In addition, there is hepatic plexus of nerves and hepatic lymphatics are also there, which are not seen over here. So this is what is there is porta hepatis. This is caudate lobe. Now what are the boundaries of caudate lobe? On right side, what is this? Inferior vena cava. So on right side there is inferior vena cava. Caudate lobe के left side में fissure for ligamentum venosum. Inferiorly there is porta hepatis, and superiorly caudate lobe continue with the superior surface of right lobe. Right lobe से continue हो जाएगा. Now you can see here the caudate lobe on right side inferiorly continue with the right lobe through a process of liver tissue. This is called caudate process. ये part caudate process, right? This is caudate process, and here there is an elevation that is known as papillary process. So caudate lobe के lower part में right side में caudate process और lower part के left side में elevation, that is papillary process. So this is about caudate lobe. This is quadrate lobe. Now what are the boundaries? It lies on the inferior surface of liver. On right side there is gallbladder. On left side there is, what is this? Ligamentum teres. This is ligamentum teres. And posteriorly, अगर anatomical position में रखें तो posteriorly there is porta hepatis, and anteriorly what is there is the inferior sharp border of the liver is there. So this is quadrate lobe of the liver. So these are the two major these small lobes which are part of the right lobe of the liver. So these are the external features. This is left small lobe. This is small lobe. This is left lobe, and the left end of the left lobe lies in the left hypochondrium. ये left side में आ जाएगा, and it is flattened from above downward. You can see this left lobe is flattened from above downward, inferior surface and superior surface. Okay. That's all about the external features of the liver.